Hi! Kaog nilay, hi. Ayan, so this is the day, nga. This is my first international flight na pupunta po kami ng Singapore. So ayun, nakaprepare na kami lahat. Ayan, so may interview pa pala sa anong tawag yun? Basta may interview pa daw. So mamayang 4 PM, aalis na kami. So, enjoy. This is my first international flight. Thank you so much, Brenda, for this. And also, thank you so much, Fairy Godmother, sa opportunity na gihatag nimo sa amua or sa kuha. Salamat kaayo. So, abangak! Mga black team. Day, ay pag-ana.
Adidas, pila.
Ana. Gani.
Kani
Dragon.
Props.
Yan sa mga na
Saka dito mga Brian Roy Tagarao.
I'm sorry. Hi Kuya, good afternoon. Good afternoon, share.
Parang yung robot yung botes mo.
Kayo na ba to?
Ah? Oops.
Parang nabigyan yung botes mo ka.
Everyone. Ayan. So, pasok na kami.
Hi guys.
Bye, Nay! Oyong!
Ingat kayo.
Sada lagi sa mga kurso nila do. Paon ta karon. Ano di ba gihatag ng white bitaw nga kuan?
Aman.
Wala ko dalaw init kayo.
Sheila?
Salamat.
Sisi! We are here now. As Odiv. Si Odiv. Ala.
The one and only. Hey guys, of course, the one and only.
Hello.
Isang tota.
Yes, it's my first time to tour. Yes. Our first time to tour at international. Yes, kaya natin.
Mag-check-in daw muna para mag-double check.
Laban tayo. Thank you so much, everyone. Oh, Daya.
Thank you.
Oh. Hi, Oldiva. Yes, pasok na kami sa aeroplano.
Yes, go.
Yan, ito taong ko sa Singapore.
once again, those who attend difference between Manila and Singapore. For safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings and ensure you do not leave any of your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins as heavy items may have moved during the flight. On behalf of the entire Cebu Pacific team headed by our flight deck crew Captain Earth Airways First Officer Ditag, together with the cabin crew, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of our important moment. It's truly a pleasure having all on board and we will fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific.
Everyone, this is it. It's at 12 in the morning. 12 na madaling araw. So, nandito na kami ngayon sa Singapore. Ito din. Wow! Dali.
O, picturean po kayo. Sinang ano?
Hindi. Dapat ko pinawiya si Kuya.
Oo nga eh.
Ate!
Ayun, suot ka na lang.
Ate!
Sagan namin, no? Grabe, ang ganda.
Ganda! Ikaw na talaga, ate. Welcome!
Pinamatar na daw.
Yan, so thank you so much everyone. Thank you so much ate and kuya for this trip.
Amin ang
As a
wala akong nakaka-istorya. Nag-vlog pa siya.
So, it's sleeping time. It's 3 a.m. Habang nabablog pa si Inda.
Wala man.
3 a.m.
Si Brenda.
Tulog na kami rin tomorrow. It's gonna be a long day. We're going to Marina Baysan. Sa may Merlion.
Augma.
Sa San Jacintosa.
Kakain.
Yes. What's the day?
Wala.
Thank you, Lord. This is our first night here in Singapore. Good night. Ay, midnight ko lang po na.
Ayan, so thank you so much.
Bye!
Everyone, all the followers.
Kamu ni Brenda dahil sa table ka.
Walang sama mag-support Thank you so much. And thank you.